We start off with the latest coming in from Brazil, which has been one of the worst hit countries due to COVID-19. According to an expert studying the scale of the COVID disaster, Brazil could have saved as many as 400,000 lives if it had implemented stricter social distancing norms. Pedro Halal, who is leading that study, in particular, held the federal government and the president responsible for the scale of the outbreak. Remember, the Brazilian president, Bolsonaro, had dismissed the virus as a little flu, encouraged people to go out without wearing masks, and even said that the vaccine could turn one into an alligator. The experts believe that stricter social distancing measures alone and a vaccination program launched earlier could have prevented 80% of the 500,000 COVID-19 deaths in the country. Not just that, Halal said that the average mortality rate in the country was 4 times higher than the rest of the world. Halal, who last week testified before a Senate inquiry into the government's handling of the COVID-19 crisis, has estimated that 95,000 to 145,000 deaths occurred due to the country's inaction in procuring vaccines. Brazil's vaccination program started in late January but has been interrupted by several shortages, both of imported doses and supplies of domestic manufacturers. But while the momentum has now picked up, only 12% of Brazilians have been fully vaccinated and a large number have failed to return for a second dose. But the country is struggling with the P1 variant, and vaccination is the need of the hour. The reasons for incomplete vaccinations include a shortage of vaccines, but also a lack of following up and no national campaigns stressing the importance of taking the second dose. Meanwhile, local authorities are struggling to get more people vaccinated, with some states even offering money to those getting the second dose. Brazil is home to just over 2.7% of the world's population. It accounts for nearly 13% of the total recorded deaths due to COVID-19. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.